We love food. Not just because taste travels us around the globe, but because fresh food enriches lives. It's why KeHE was founded in 1953, to discover better foods and deliver them in better ways. And it's what keeps us hungry for more. More 100-year-old recipes, more global favorites, and more companies started in home kitchens. It's why we journey across the globe in search of secret ingredients and the trends of tomorrow. Then get them on the right shelves, in the right town, at the right time. Products that entice with stories that inspire. Foods that make stores worth leaving home for. Our love of discovering fresh foods has brought us a long way. It's more than a passion or livelihood. It's our mission, because we believe fresh foods are a force for good.